Welcome back everyone. This is a new video on my channel. I wanted to walk you guys through some of the trades that I've taken this week and also make this video kind of as an ending video for the week for the this 10K challenge. I wanted to kind of make a video to end it off, show you guys where I've been able to bring the account to and kind of what trades got me there. So yesterday saw these setups. As you can see, it's not random. We go back a little bit. What did price do? Made the low, touched the 80. Okay. It actually really touched into the extreme 80, but I'm still, because it's in this zone, I'm basically looking to only take 80 trades. All right. Just keep that in mind. So essentially, I measured this right here. I considered this a break of structure. It broke this low as well as broke this, it was a demand area, small. All of these demand areas got broken. So I measured this out, caught 80% of this, and I wasn't too sure about it. So I just put my TP underneath this. Um, was able to get a re-entry, caught it right here. A little higher of a stop, maybe 1 point more. This trade sent me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this trade really sent me. Completely tapped in perfectly, did everything I wanted it to do, and then I copied the last trade. I only got out early on this trade because I just had a feeling that price wasn't moving yet. It wasn't really moving yet. Got out with the profit I wanted. Got back in, and I completely forgot my system to let things run. As you can see, I closed out around a 1-4 for this second trade, when in reality it was a 1-20 trade, basically. And this actually was my first target area that I was looking for at the time, which makes it even more frustrating. But you live and you learn. This trade really did set me back. Not profit wise, obviously I got a 1-4, but mentally, this trade had me in the could have, should have, would have. And that's the most dangerous place to be as a trader. You get what you get and you can't get upset. That's just how it is. You have to get used to it. And yesterday really was a test for that. I saw it would have been a 1-20, would have been X dollars or whatever, and it really messed with my mental, not gonna lie to you guys. So the whole day I was kind of fighting myself, trying to stay in control of myself and make sure I'm not taking stupid trades. Speaking of stupid trades, I was taking, like I said, we talked about this, 80s only, right? Price breaks the low. What should we be looking at? Come on, 80s. Unfortunately, I saw price was racking off of this golden zone, got in right here. Again, 20 pip stop loss. Was looking to take this thing all the way down. Obviously, it didn't do that, so I'm not going to waste your time. Was looking in this golden zone though, this extreme between the 61.8 and the 69. So now we see price just tapped into our 80%. Let's see what we can do. So didn't really break any lows, but this is I've seen this setup, so this is a slightly different from what I caught over here. Slightly different. So price does its move. This is the tap in. Price is done. Now, after this first drop, took out this I guess you could call this a supply area, just dropped down. I measured this out. Okay. I measured this out. I had my limit on the 80 because we're playing 80s, but also I've seen multiple times after seeing my limit get missed that I'm not exactly sure what this schematic is called, but this is not it's not going to give the UTAD, it's not going to give the normal things that I look for out of a distribution. And the way that it was moving initially, the fact that it didn't have a pullback till here, the first pullback only got up to 61.8. I actually market executed this at 65. Believe it or not, had a 10 pip stop loss. Get rid of this 80, never got tapped in. So yeah, I actually did enter right here. Off of this. Technically, you could call it the extreme golden zone. That's what I've called it to just make it easier to name. Missed my 80, tapped into the extreme golden zone. I market executed this. Had my 10 pip. So ultimately, I was only risking $20 total on this setup. See what happens. Oh, did I just completely lied to y'all. I didn't take this trade. I waited for a bigger pullback. Sorry about that. But still, literally same entry though. So off of this extreme, exactly what I was saying, but just in a different zone. So this was the actual trade. I had already set it up and everything. So ultimately tapped into our extreme golden zone perfectly. Didn't really come that close to hitting my stop loss, and then we just kind of flew. I ended up going to sleep. This was last night around 8. So I went to sleep around 9, 10, and I saw like, okay, yeah, it's still in profits, whatever. So went to sleep, woke up, and price was all the way down here. Now, unfortunately, I didn't put my stop loss above this 50. I honestly was just looking at the amount of money that it was, and I just, I just pulled out. So this is where I ended up getting out. Not the smartest exit, but ended up being a 1-to-45 risk to reward ratio. This beats my last trade by 5 RR. Of course, I was risking less than half of the amount that I was risking for that last, but still a very good trade. You want high risk to rewards to ensure your profitability. And this just kind of goes to show I'm able to catch these higher trades, and this is an example of what usually happens where I lose confidence in my setup and I'll end up closing early. When you close early, one of two things happen. You can be satisfied with your profits, or you can see how far price would have gone, and you can get obsessed with this. If you guys ever take any of my advice, this is what I'm gonna tell you. Should have, could have, would have don't exist in the Forex market. The only thing that exists is the opportunities present right now. Where they're going to go, well, your system has to have a system in place so you know where to take your money out. But as far as getting in, you've got to trust your system as well. And if you're looking in the past, what could have happened, what should have happened, what didn't happen, you're going to be very depressed. You're not gonna like the progress that you end up ultimately getting anyway. I am very, very happy with this 1-to-45. Yes, I could have risked my $50. Yes, I could have held it longer. But you know what? This has happened right now. This is what has happened. And that's all that matters. So I hope that you guys are gonna be able to take that kind of mindset with you. Don't focus on the should have, could have, would have. Just focus on the now and focus on getting your system down to a level where you can just go to sleep and let it work out. Anyway, guys, I want to end this whole thing off with showing you guys where I'm at on my account. This is the overall 10K leaderboard for True Forex Funds. This is me right here. This is my profit, and this is my account equity. As you can see, I've got a 25% gain on the account. And yeah, at this point, I'm just waiting my profit split. I hope that this motivates you guys to keep on going. This is real. I remember when I first started, this all just felt like a dream. And now I'm living it. So I want to tell you guys firsthand, it's real. Keep going. Don't give up. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.